is a tagine. If you're not familiar with what a tagine is, it's a clay pot cooking vessel, kind of like a Dutch oven. The lid is always this kind of shape, so the idea is the moisture will condensate to the top and drip down slowly. So I haven't used this in a while. I've been using cast iron so much that we made some chicken a few days ago with it, and it came out amazing. Forgot how good these are. This one's enameled. Sometimes they're not coated. It's just the clay, the pottery, and then they have to be seasoned. If it's already enameled like this, then you can use it on the stovetop or in the oven. You should preheat them just like cast iron, but they get food really, the chicken comes out really moist and juicy in these. It's really good to cook different meats in these, or vegetables or fish, whatever. Anyways, I was using this and going, wow, these are great. I forgot how good they are, and thought it would be cool if they made one out of cast iron, but I haven't seen one. Don't know if they exist. Meanwhile, I just got the idea of this Lodge skillet. It's about the same size, and it's pretty close fit. And there's a couple little gaps here for the parts to pour to escape a little bit of steam, but that should be quite okay. So we're gonna try this out with some chicken we had marinating overnight. First thing I'm gonna do is, it should be preheated, so we're gonna preheat both of these. So I've got some chicken thighs bone-in, marinated overnight. I used mojo criollo. I don't know this stuff.
Criollo.
For marinade overnight, and I'm gonna cook in this like I basically cook in a tagine, except this isn't Middle Eastern or North African at all. I'm gonna take one medium onion, enough to cover the bottom of the pan, so you're making pretty much a bed of onion. I just slice it as fine as I can with a knife, more or less. Then we have some pineapple that was grilled with cayenne and cinnamon from leftover from yesterday. So we're gonna throw some of that in. And we'll just put about half of it and then put the rest over the chicken. There's also some red hot chili peppers sliced up, some parsley, and cilantro. The rest I'll just mix in with the chicken. Salt and pepper. And I'm going to mix in just a little bit of olive oil with it. Stir it up a bit. Everything's preheated. The oven is at 180 Celsius. And start putting the chicken thighs in. Add in the rest of the pineapple and the cilantro and parsley. Cover this and put this in the oven for we'll check back in about an hour on it. So this was in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna remove the top, turn on the broiler, and put it back in. Broiler is at 300 degrees Celsius. Smells very good so far. So after about 10 or 15 minutes under the broiler, give or take, it looks ready to be. We're gonna plate it up with some rice and try it out. So we're trying it out now. And it came out pretty fucking good. The chicken is really tender and juicy. The pineapple flavors in there are really good with it. Kind of a fusion thing, so we got some flatbread and homemade harissa. It all goes really good together. Let's grab some too. So this is all that remains between me and my girlfriend of this chicken in the hybrid Tagine Cast Iron. It came out really, really, really good. The recipe, the technique of cooking the chicken came out really juicy and tender. I'm gonna go pass out in the food coma now.